Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel an order on Depop. Now, people cancel orders on Depop for different reasons, and then some of them include change of mind, that they change their mind, or they found a better place to buy from, or the product was unavailable, or they encountered payment issues, they had delivery concerns, or another was mistaken for another, or they had a bad customer service experience, or they experience a technical issues. These are some of the reasons why someone might decide to cancel a particular order on Depop. Now, to take you through the process of canceling an order, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in or logged in to your Depop platform so you can be able to cancel an order. The next thing you want to do is navigate to the purchase bar, and you can find that at the top right corner over here where you have your profile icon. When you click on that, you see purchases, so you click on that. Having headed to purchases, all right, the next thing you want to do is to locate the item that you want to cancel, and when you find it, tap on it to open the order details. When you've done that, Depop will not allow buyers to cancel orders directly once they are marked as paid, to ensure that you request cancellation, most especially before it has been sent out. All right, so if that has already happened, you need to contact the seller directly to cancel that particular order. And when that has been done, ensure that you wait for the seller's confirmation and then go through all the return processes or the refund processes, all right, by setting up your PayPal or Depop payments accounts where the money can be refunded to. Keep an eye on your payment amount. It might take a few business days, but it would arrive. If the seller has already shipped the item, cancellation is usually not quite possible because you need to return the item after delivery instead. Always communicate politely. Sellers are more likely to accommodate cancellations when the buyers are quite polite. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to cancel an order on Depop. Until next time, bye for now.